Yes, good morning. So today we are going to have paralegal works to lawyers and judges. So now we are going to have a case involving uh, robbery, homicide, and or crimes against person. So we'll do a paralegal work. So let's say I am your paralegal, student, a juris doctor, and a certified bar exam reviewer. So now, uh, you, the one who watch this video, will be the one who seeks paralegal. So thus, I will be your paralegal. Then I will refer your case to the lawyer. So let's say my law professors. Then they will refer it to the lawyers that they knew. So now, our case, let's say you are asking for help if there is a case of robbery with murder. So let's define first each. So robbery is the unlawful taking of the property. Then it must have uh, force upon things, and uh, it is done uh, with using uh, uh, arms or bladed weapon. So while murder murder must have treachery. So if there is no treachery, there will be no murder. So there must be an impunity to the part of the assailant to to do his or her uh, evil intent. So now, it must be remembered that uh, that crimes must have, there are two crimes. So it can be uh, complex crime or a special complex crime. So in special complex crime, so it is pro forma already. So like for example, uh, robbery with homicide, robbery with rape. So they are pro forma. So means to say they are they are they are written already. So that's why they are special complex crime. So if it is just a complex crime, so it can be different. It cannot it can be different with special complex crime. So in our case today, we have robbery with murder. So the question is there a robbery with murder? So it depends. It is still in the brainstorm of the legal profession. But for me, what the policeman wants to emphasize in the case of the killing of the Lebanese and her wife was murder with robbery or theft. So because if that's the case, what they mean is that the assailant, the primary purpose of the assailant was to kill the uh, husband and wife. So that's his uh, intent. So it can be planned already since he was in Basilan or while uh, he is with them. Because what I see here is that the assailant is their caretaker or houseboy in their house. So obviously he planned it and with treachery. So obviously there is treachery because he easily killed two people, a Lebanese and her wife, while he was still young. What I mean, he was still in around 23 or 26 years old. So obviously there is treachery. So obviously the case that you will go to the lawyer that you knew was murder qualified by them. So that's the right uh, crime that the assailant from Basilan murder. It can be murder with murder qualified by them. So there is no such thing as robbery with murder, but murder with qualified theft. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Good day and God bless.